What's the meaning of captain of industry? Captain of industry. Captain of industry.
Captain of industry. Captain of industry. Captain of industry is a phrase used to describe a leading figure in a particular industry or sector who is considered to have played a significant role in driving its growth and success. These individuals are often highly respected for their entrepreneurial spirit, innovative ideas, and ability to create jobs and stimulate economic growth. They are seen as pioneers and leaders within their field, and their contributions are often credited with helping to shape the modern economy. Overall, captains of industry are widely regarded as instrumental in driving progress and transforming the business landscape.